In aviation, a lease refers to an arrangement where one party, the lessor, rents an aircraft to another party, the lessee, for a specified period. The terms of the lease determine what is included, such as crew, maintenance, and insurance. There are two main types of aircraft leases: dry lease and wet lease, and they differ in terms of responsibilities and services. Included dry lease. In a dry lease, the lessor provides only the aircraft to the lessee, without crew, maintenance, or insurance. The lessee is responsible for operating the aircraft, including hiring the crew, arranging maintenance, and obtaining the necessary insurance. Dry leases are typically used for long-term agreements, usually 2 years or more, and are often favored by airlines that have the operational capabilities to manage the aircraft themselves. It allows airlines to expand their fleet without buying new aircraft, making it cost-effective for fleet management. Wet lease. In a wet lease, the lessor provides not only the aircraft but also the crew, pilots, and cabin crew, maintenance, and insurance. The lessor retains operational control over the aircraft, while the lessee pays for fuel, airport fees, and other direct costs. Wet leases are usually short-term arrangements, a few months or less, often used by airlines to cover seasonal demand, maintenance downtime, or emergencies. The lessee benefits from having a turnkey solution with minimal setup, as the lessor handles most operational aspects. These distinctions allow airlines to choose the leasing arrangement that best suits their operational requirements and financial strategies.